right, up next we have Donald Trump from USA. Give it up for Donald Trump.
All right. Namaste, India. It's nice to meet you guys. I know you're Sami Rhino. Alayabat. Sharabi. What was that? Hashish Solanki, yeah. And Bolraj Gay.
How did you... You already have a mic.
He gave it to me. I don't know what to say. There's so much unemployment in this country. 3 people.